The psychotic state out it is my forbidden chosen. Fuck fate. Those shoved hate, it's too fucking late. So go on ahead, rush the plate. I'ma service that bitch asses with savage fist, smacking bitch around. This my clown sitting proud like he a missile bomb cripple crown. I'ma triple down that ass and let you try to rebuke the trap. Goop must smash the hater as chosen savior, show them anger. They claim they're about to hurt me up and touch stupid Perkins fuck. Y'all searching luck while my curtains stuck, get earth lit up. Justice's fucking bitch made his strange and ways made them happy. Sin trapping is blacking out and those laughing now get classy on. Slap me down bitch man, y'all act so stiff and but just bent. This is the judgment coming and those not running, I'll do the drumming. So come and get flexed up and step up with the best one. Next come sacred hatred, hell's a bacon, damn mistaken men. Those in taking sin will get naked in truth and never fruit the group. Shoot the fools and cruel the ghouls, this is exactly why Michael rules. Psycho stupid get hell fooled, and spell doom is why I'm writing Zoom. Soon these motherfuckers gonna learn to shut the fuck up and just burn. Earn a trip up on the starship, those wanna act tough is, I'll starve it. Sharpest murder witches, mobsters think like murderous to serve you, bitch. You're the shit, act like a gun tip, won't bust bitch to hell's ditch. Bust your spell sick, talisman kid, you gonna fucking bell this. Monsters I brung up that start get some sung in luck's body trick. God be the Santa Christ and those stand despise some hand in the sky. Damn is my joker's hopeless percent, dissing this like he living rich. Criminal intent is sending cruelest punishment to those not loving this. Dungeons lit and those denying this is it, me ending this, get damned and lit. Kid pen is sick and living bitched out, y'all once make angels black out. Add proud nasty motherfuckers, cause I'm blasting tougher numbers like method covered. Wrath comes smother that tougher fuckers, man it's flushing like the plumbers. Summer's grilling, winter's chilling, fall is filling, spring the dealing. See cruel squealing way I'm willing, driving with no limitations. Menace hating cause his dick is basic and he's still not demonstrating. Quit the fake shit, I ain't no fake bitch and you're truly about to fake sick. Make it heavenly, set the three angels I need, keep us abling. Savior seen landing, sending power uplifting like Jean Grace gripping. It's those mindless fucks, minded overthrow that sneak keeps pressing me. Let it be y'all, I am the chosen one, no one will ever drop this. God's just like smoking logic and the hottest topic, written more rap, drop it. Drop the screw on the hell, screw shine, and tool our everlasting. Stars never asking, favors just let me, paper is chosen savior. Anger fills the jealous heart, why this fella chart, angels heart. They drew apart, hit this in the mode, nasty overload, fags need hold their own. I'ma show the foes, this kid throws bows and put on the show. Load the clips, blast the bitch, acting shit like I was asking it. I asked for chicks, sit on my dick, let me nut spit it. Fucking clits acting misfit, trying to aid this into an eternal bliss. I'ma burn them thick and hurt them quick. Tell your children, fuck this. Busted quick, jump this kid, I'm one coming with dangerous lit pit. Bitches still intent, get this kid spit like some gum spit, come sit. I must rip shit in the well, fit manner like angels, have the answers. And I'll sick them down with cancer, radiated brains till it's hammered. Andrew eternally fuck, keep burning these chumps, having safe tonight. In case you might want to die tight, I'll reach your night light. Shine the tide of bright, like a rival might try to blow the flight. I'm tired of the dismal bitch, dissing this cause the angels pick. Y'all just the hating, little bitch body sizzle thick like crippled kid. I'm loading up the pistol and then in your dismal shit. Bitch, you'll flicker up in hell's litter clutch, get bigger buff. Bitch, stop fuck. Y'all think this mouth just quits bitches? Ask anyone, I passed or fit. Show this kid crew hit, group like his dude by the get rule. I'ma sit him up like a stool. Fuck in hell swimming pool. But we still in sit high, some hell's piloting, trying to fly out like a pilot. But the light is lit and the furnace is burned, man, it's a dismal bliss.